Hey, it's Christine Renee here. I wanted to hop on and let you guys know I'm super excited about tonight. We are doing a Reiki business workshop. I love doing these. One of my passions, if you will, is to support Reiki practitioners really finding success in their business and really owning the truth that Reiki can be a career. It can provide. And I know that true for myself. There's been many a time where I've been the sole provider of my family of four, and it works. And I want to inspire Reiki practitioners to know that they too can make this more than a hobby. If it's just a hobby, that's fine. And know that it can be more than that. So tonight's workshop is on the client journey. And there's a couple different ways to look at the client journey. And so what I mean is that we're going to be looking at the marketing side of the first contact with the client, with the potential client. What does that look like? How do they come into your awareness? And how do you bring them from that first contact, their awareness of you, if that's a Facebook Live, if that's a newsletter, if that's at an expo, like wherever that first contact happened, how do you bring them on the client journey to them being a paying customer, to them upselling, and them to come into like a VIP experience, whether that's a signature program or a 3-month Reiki package or whatever it may be for you. And so we want to kind of understand how that client journey looks and those marketing steps along the way, and how that can really support having this clarity can really help boost your business, because then you're not stuck into the only thing it offers 60-minute Reiki sessions. We need to see how else they can experience your energy and this lovely Reiki healing energy. So we've got a couple of people watching. Hey, Kaylin, that's okay. If you purchase the workshop for tonight, it's just $11 I'll probably go around 60 to 90 minutes. I'm thinking it'll probably be 90 minutes, because what I also want to cover is how you relate to your client, of where they are emotionally and how they emotionally move through the healing journey process to where they want to go. So understanding what their current reality is, what their desired reality is, and bringing the client journey along that bridge to get them from point A to point B, and how you can be their guide to get there. And that feeds all of the communication and the other type of client journey, which is those point of contacts for marketing. We need to understand our clients and what their struggles are and where they want to go, so that we communicate with them why our services are going to meet them where they're at and how they're going to support them getting to their desired reality. So using the marketing language really helps support attracting those ideal clients. Like, who do you want to work with? And oftentimes those ideal clients, when we look at them, if we look at towards our past of like, where did I start? What was my journey like? And is that my ideal client, to help them get to where I am today? So this is why self-care is so important. I'm a huge advocate of continuing your Reiki self-care practice, that you integrate Reiki throughout your life. Check out our podcast. We just did that last week. We had a podcast on integrating Reiki in daily life, and that becomes the foundation of your services, of your marketing, of knowing who your ideal client is and how to attract them. So if I would love to know, what are you struggling with when it comes to business? Is it marketing? I would say most of the people who approach me about marketing stuff or about their business, this is one of those really weak areas that they struggle with, that they don't like to do. They don't know how to do it, and they don't know how to connect with their client to describe what Reiki is and how it can help them, and all the things in between. So if that is you, if you are struggling, understanding how you can move beyond the I just do family and friends and I want to make this into something more, this would be a great workshop for you on so many levels. So I'd love to know where you are at in your current business and where you want to go, because I love supporting getting you there. Like, it is the main reason I switched from an in-person brick and mortar business to moving online, was to support Reiki practitioners make their dreams a reality, because I believe it's possible. And then really stepping into, what is my dream? What is my definition of success? What is my definition of happiness and joy? And what do I want to manifest in my life? And is that based off of what other people are doing or what I see in social media? Is it materialistic, or is it to spread the Reiki love and light throughout the world? Is it for a purpose that has a higher purpose and mission?